Hello, I'm Steve Draper. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that watched my video on pen making that I posted yesterday, you will have seen me use this piece of wood to press the cone into the pen body, and also use it to press the clip onto the end of the pen. And in both cases I used my ring centre and the tailstock by advancing the quill. I thought about it after I'd made the video and thought, well, I can probably make an improvement on that. This piece of wood has worn a bit. The hole's not quite in the centre. So I thought it's quite simple to make an improvement to that. So I took a piece of oak. This is actually old oak worktop. And I turned it round and drilled a hole through the middle, which is 5.5mm diameter, not 6.5 like the other one. And I also drilled out this cup. So by inserting this end into the chuck that you will have seen yesterday, and having this facing towards the tailstock, I can both press the cone end of the pen into it and also use this aperture as a flat surface to press the clip onto the other end of the pen. When I finished making that, I thought, well, I can perhaps improve upon using the ring centre. So I came up with something slightly different. From another piece of the same oak worktop that I had, I turned this fits into the tailstock, into the quill. This pushes against the body. This fits nicely inside the Morse taper. And at this end I've drilled a hole. This time it's a 6mm diameter hole, which I can just insert a 6mm drill, which just happens to be the right size for the pen inserts, the steel tubes that I was using for the pen kits that I've got over the end of it. So I would have that on there. This would be the clip end of the pen. The clip would be on here, and the part presses into the end here. Now, if you look at my video, that all becomes a bit more obvious. I thought it was a useful little improvement to the situation. Readily available parts in there. So, if you found that useful, found it helpful, then please like and even subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. If there are any comments, please leave them below. I'm always wanting to improve, and hopefully your comments will help. Bye now.